We take it for granted that most organisms reproduce by having different sexes that get together and produce offspring, but in fact that's an evolutionary problem. There's been a long question ever since Darwin about why that should happen, because there's a cost to producing males in a population. Even though males are important for reproduction, they in fact don't produce offspring on their own, and so this leads to what's known as the evolutionary cost of males.
The reason we use the C-elegans system as our organism is because we can actually genetically engineer the mating system of C-elegans. By incorporating specific mutations into their populations, we require that they either have sex with a partner or have sex with themselves. Another nice feature of the system is that the generation time is only 4 days, and so in the laboratory we can actually run through generation after generation and thus see evolution happen in the lab.
So the big question is, why are there males and why does reproduction work that way? And there's been a lot of theory done over the years, but no one has ever demonstrated experimentally what role males play within populations, and so our work is the very first to do that.
From our experiments, what we find is that the populations in which we required outcrossing, they actually tolerated mutation better than those that we required to self-fertilize. And in addition, they adapted to a pathogenic environment and to kind of a novel environment that we exposed them to in the laboratory, whereas the self-fertilizing populations failed to adapt. So our results show that outcrossing is favored over selfing, and these are the first results to directly address this question and get at the idea of why outcrossing is so prevalent in nature despite lots of evolutionary theory that would suggest otherwise.